Hello, and thank you so much for tuning in to see my latest tutorial. Now, today we're going to be covering a very exciting topic, and that is how to take a clip art that you can get on Etsy, and I'm going to be using my own clip art that I sell on my Etsy store, and transform it into a printed card that you can send to your loved ones, colleagues, whoever you want. And we're going to be working on the inside and the outside of the card, making it really beautiful. And then I will take you step-by-step process on how to go from creation to printing, and all within Canva and all within Canva's free account. So guys, I hope you're excited. So just very quickly, because we are 2 weeks away from Easter time, we're going to be focusing on Easter cards. So I just quickly want to show you my clip art for Easter. I've got fantastic sets of Easter clip art, which you find on my website. It's currently I'm running a massive sale for another 31 hours. And then you've got all these gorgeous, basically clip arts. Clip art means that it's a PNG file, very high resolution. The ones that I do are quite a high resolution, so 4000 times 4000 pixels. And then I also do PDF prints, so you will get 10 files altogether, and they have transparent backgrounds, so their use is literally unlimited, and that is what I love about them. You can literally add them to anything, websites, social media, prints on demand. You can print them on a cup, on anything you like, on a pillow, and I will show you how. And everything within one software, one Canva, and all you need is a free account with Canva. That's all you need. Yes, so there's quite a few of them. There's so much to choose from. I really have selected stunning ones, something that you will love. I think everyone can love this. So what you do, guys, you just add to basket the collection that you like, and then you will receive a link to your digital download your graphics, and then head over to Canva. Yeah, so we are at canva.com. I love Canva. The Canva features are just amazing, and they're constantly introducing new things. So I think generally now it's a really, really great time to get creative and be creative, because we all need that kind of we all need creativity in our lives, whether it's sports or dancing or creating, artistic creation. And now it's easier than ever, because I haven't been born a fantastic creator or a designer. It's sort of like I'm learning just like many of you. I'm learning new skills, and I'm really enjoying the process. So let's get started, guys. So I'm in my Canva account. I've got a professional account, but as I said, for this card you do not need to have a professional account. Everything that we're going to be doing is free. So let's start with creating a design. And for this one, because we're going to also have it printed by Canva, I'm sort of going to rely on it, sort of like the dimension it gives me. So what I'm going to do, looking for card. Okay, I think I saw it here. Okay, so card, and it gives us 14.8 times 10.5. So let's see what it does. Okay, fantastic. So my guess is that this is sort of like a landscape, so we can actually fold it. So there will be an option to fold it. So let's just focus on sort of separating it in two, so that we know what page we're working at. So you can actually add your margins, show margins like this. And then how can you tell whether, where is the middle? So basically, if you hover this on the card, you should see sort of like a pink or red line, and that sort of gives you your middle. And then also, because we're also doing inside and duplicated, so let me just quickly double check that it is in the middle. Yeah, should be okay. Yeah, I mean, of course, as we are going through the creation, Canva will tell us whether we need to change anything. So this will be our inside, and this will be our outside. We can also title it. So Easter card for family, for Jenny, or for Jenny. Let's see, Jenny. Something. Okay, so let's go to where you would have uploaded your PNG files that you bought from me. You would have them here. So this is where you would click on upload files, and that's how you would download wherever you downloaded it to. So the PNG file would look like this in your Canva account. It would sort of like be the background will be black, but basically that means that it's a transparent background. So let's get started. Let's say with these two little cute rabbits. Oh, okay. So I didn't want to move the link. Okay, so we're just moving the rabbits, and I'm going to just a little bit make them smaller. And yeah, so guys, of course you can go as crazy as you like with the design. I quite like to keep it simple because I think the graphics are sort of like enough. Of course we need text, so we're going to do Happy Easter. Happy Easter, Jenny, because obviously we are personalizing. Guys, it's been a long day. I'm really sorry. Okay, so let's take a look at how we can change the text into something maybe that we like a little bit better. Okay. Obviously, there's so many different fonts to choose from. Maybe I will want something that is a bit more fun. Okay, so maybe this. Jenny probably will be in the second line because we're going to make this a little bit bigger. So let's have a look at how big we can make it and keep it still nice. Okay, so Happy Easter, Jenny. I mean, if you wanted to sort of, I'm trying to keep to my print margin. So these are the print margins that I'm trying to keep it in. But if you wanted to, you could still add some elements. Again, as I said, I wouldn't add anything else because we're also going to do the second page and inside. But if you want to add anything to this first page, then you can. Obviously, these are all, this is a free element, for example, so we can make it smaller and we can send it to the back, arrange, send backwards. Now we can't see it at all. Okay, so we can, okay, so yeah, but as I said, like I really don't think it needs anything else, but you can still play around with options, if you want to. Yeah, there's still space, but I personally don't like to overfill it because I think the graphics that I provide are enough. So let's take that one off. Let me just delete him, the basket. And so this is our front. Yeah, so this will be basically the way card folds. This will be the front. So a Happy Easter, Jenny. If we want something here, we can. Well, maybe that basket can go here now. Yeah. And, just something fun. Maybe we can do it a little bit less transparent, just to make it clear that, yeah, so this could be the second page of it. Obviously, this is, if you bought this in a shop, it would have a barcode and things like that. But yeah, so just play around with it, see what you want to do. And let's have a look at how we can color it. So again, there's quite a few options that we can do with this. If you remember, the first one was to go to simply change it here. And we've got this fantastic, I love these gradients, guys. So let's see what happens. I mean, how gorgeous is this? I really, really love it. Yeah, so this is just, if Jenny loves these kind of colors, she would be so pleased. Yeah, so literally these are really nice to me. And again, because it's transparent background, what we also can do, we can even make it a little bit more pop if we want to. So we can either make it glow so that the image will a little bit pop. Yeah, so that sort of gives it another dimensions altogether. And so let's see what sort of, how we wanted it colored. So I really love these. Oh my God, look at that. Just gorgeous. Yeah. So let's keep it like this for now. But also another option, guys, that we have, and as I mentioned to you before, you got this design thing here and you go to styles, and it's basically, you got this image palette down here and you just sort of like keep pressing until you're happy. Yeah, so this is also something that's quite nice. And then you can edit the individual parts of it as well. So I quite like this as well. Don't forget, it's going to be a card that folds in half. So literally go to town on this, and just create anything that Jenny may love. But again, I quite prefer this gradient. Yeah, just lovely. Oh, this has changed into, so let's see if we can change the text to something different. Yeah. Play around with it, like don't be afraid of it. Okay, so this would be our front of the card. Now let's go to the back, to the inside. So when Jenny opens the card, let's start with the text. Let's say if it's a dear friend that we haven't seen for a while. So, dear Jenny, thinking of you this Easter. Oh, thinking of you this Easter. Hope we'll see you soon. Hope to see you soon. Love, Susan. Yeah. So something like this. And we can either keep it very clear, very simple, or we can, don't forget these letters will be quite large, so we can actually change it or, do whatever we prefer with it. So let's see if we can add some elements maybe to it. But again, it's not extremely important. So if I was just to add any graphics to this, which would be free. So obviously some of these are paid elements, as we can see. So these are free. As you can see, I'm doing everything that is included in here for free. Not using any professional elements, so that you can literally use this with a free account. Yeah. Yeah, just play around with it and see what you like. Okay, let's just, no, it's too big. Too big. And then because I've got other designs as well, of course, other graphics as well, maybe I can put something on this page as well. So let's have a look. Uploads. And I can add him. I love him. These two. So this is quite cute. Look at that. That's just gorgeous. And again, trying to be within my margin because this card is going to be printed. Yeah. Obviously, if we want more cards, if we can just because it's actually better to print more at the same time than just one. So we can just keep it very dear friend, dear dear family. We can just keep it like that, very, very simple. Or we can just say inside thinking of you this Easter, hope to see you soon. Yeah. So this is obviously very personalized, so you would only print one in this instance. So let's see what we can do to color it. Again, you don't have to color it because obviously it's the inside of the card, but you can. You can even keep it the same color as the top one. So this is our cover. This is our inside. Yeah, so anything you like. Yeah. So I'm just going to keep it like this for now. So guys, this is our outside of the card. So it will fold in half when it arrives. And this is our inside of the card. So you can add anything you like to it. You can change color in any way you want. Again, that different style is here. So we've got the image palettes here. So we can play around with it again, see whether we can find something nicer or something simpler maybe. But it just gives that, like a personal touch to everything that we do. And, it's not really expensive to print it out this way. So there's really no reason for us not to be creative this way. And it's just, like I know firsthand how amazing it is to get something that is made by hand. So guys, I would really encourage you to give this a try and see how happy you'll make someone. So once we are happy with this, we're going to go to share. And here is your print on design option. So let's press that. And we're going to find card that folds in half. So, so there's canvases, folded card landscape. Okay, so we want folded cards portrait, but of course you can do landscape, but my design is for portrait. Okay, so it says resize design. Let's trust it. Okay, let's take a look at it, see what happens. Okay, so this is our outside, this is our inside. Well, it looks lovely. What do you guys think? I think it looks lovely. Maybe I would make this text a little bit friendlier, but I'm happy for now. So the car is absolutely stunning. It's got something on every page, and it's got even space for you to maybe write something in your handwriting. So really, really cute. Again, you can make this image pop if you prefer. So let's quickly try to do that. Glow. Yeah. So now it's sort of like again pops. So let's have a look now. Oh, it's lovely. It really is lovely. I love it. Especially that sort of like gradient color. Okay, so then you've got these options here, premium paper or deluxe paper. Then you have matte finish, gloss finish, uncoated finish. That could be quite nice. So let's see the prices. So one folded card is $8.75. Five is 12. So I think if you are sort of creating cards like this, it may be better to not to personalize it as much. If you sort of like sending it to a few family members. But of course, it's up to you. If Jenny is a very special person, then it's absolutely worth it, isn't it? So the more you buy, obviously, the cheaper it is. You get a free delivery, and you've got this fantastic happiness guarantee, which I absolutely love. If you're not happy with your order, contact us and we'll fix it, reprint or refund it. And they really do. I really love Canva for this because, it can be so overwhelming, can't it? Like when you have your images, especially if you want to do something like wall art, print your graphic into a Canva, it's really difficult to find a company that you can trust that will really create a fantastic design of it. So I think with this guarantee, you've got it. You look at it. If you're not happy, they are happy to refund it or reprint it for you. So, okay. So why did we choose 50? No, I just want 5. Yeah. And then plus, includes envelopes in your order. So for 85p. Yeah. So you will get it, I believe, in 5 to 8 days. Okay. So no issues found. No issues detected. Looks great. We can also download PDF to see the final look of our card, which I'm really looking forward to. This should be a really high definition print. Okay, open. And this is our PDF. Oh, how cute is that? So you can see the print margins here. So Jenny would be very, very happy to receive a card like this. If I were Jenny, I'd be ecstatic. So, so cute. And then we go checkout. Yeah, so we've got the standard delivery 5 to 8 business days. So if you do it now, if you get your graphics from my Etsy store today, you've got plenty of time to still order it and send it and create your own cards. Don't forget, guys, I've got so many other clip arts that you can use. So please stroll through my store, see what you like, and if you struggle with anything, please contact me. So here then you would fill out your details, and then basically Canva would send it to you. So guys, I really hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. And just very, very quickly, clip art is something that I truly love designing and working with. And at the moment, I've got Easter clip art and I have Halloween clip art because Halloween is my absolute favorite time of the year. I love autumn, everything to do with that. So I've got coming up wedding clip art. So that I will be creating some stationery with that as well to show you how you can use it. Then also I will have some birthday clip art that you can use, guys. So with this and with the price of this, there really is no excuse not to be creative. Why not create something that we can be proud of? Why not create something that our friends will cherish rather than popping to your local Asda and getting a card from there? Just do it from the heart, just give it that little bit more. So thank you so much for watching, and I really look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you.